Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. This morning, we'll be talking about values of functions in calculus. Values of functions. Values of functions. Yeah, that is what we'll be talking about. Is that clear? As long as calculus is concerned, you come across functions, values of functions. You know, uh, let's first consider functions of one variable. Is that clear? Functions of one variable. Functions of one variable. How can we know that this function has only one variable? Yeah, let's go by example. Example, consider the function. Consider the function f of x. F of x is equals to 2x squared minus 1. Then find I f of 1, 2, f of 4, and 3, f of minus 2 and 4, f of t minus 4, right? Yeah, I want to look at this. I want to look at this morning. That is what I want to look at. Okay? Yeah. So let us move further to consider this. Note that this function has only one function. Why? Because as you can see now, this function, you can see only x, y, and z cannot be found here, true or false. So it has only one function. Then we said we should find f of 1, 2, f of 4, 3, f of minus 2, and 4, f of t minus 4. So when you come across functions of this form, this is how you are going to tackle them. Is that clear? So let's proceed by writing solution 1. F of 1, right? The function is equals to what? 2x squared minus 1. It means this f of 1 means that, this f of x is the function of, that is x. So function of x. So this implies that anywhere you see x, you write 1. That is the meaning. So what we are going to do in this function, we are going to substitute in 1 for x. So here we are going to write 2 all in brackets. Mind you, x here carries what power? 1 raised to the powers of 2 minus 1. Are you following? Do you understand? So here, this is equals to, when we say 1 raised to the power 2 is the same thing as 1 times 1, which is the same thing as what? 1. 2 of us, right? Okay? So here is 2 times 1 minus 1. This is the same thing as 2 times 1, 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1. So as you can see now, 1, f of 1 will give us 1. And you say now, do you agree with me? Any question? Do you agree with me? The network here is bad. The network is poor. Do you agree with me, right? Okay. So let's proceed further to consider the other example. Okay, now let us proceed further to consider this 2 f of 4 is equals to 2 open brackets. Since our x here is 4, so here which is 4 all in square minus 1, right? Then this is the same thing as 4 square means 4 raised to the power 2 means what? 4 times 4, right? This is 16, then minus 1 equals to 2 times 16, 32 minus 1, 32 minus 1 will give us what? 31, right? 31. Are you following? I hope you are understanding. Any question? Do you have any question? Any question here? No question? So it means we can proceed, right? Okay. Yeah. Let's move further to consider this 3. F of minus 2 equals to, here is 2, right? Okay. Yeah. Here is yeah, but we are supposed to, let's do it, let it be consistent. Okay, 2x squared minus 1 equals to 2 log 4 is the same thing. Okay, this is 2 open brackets 16 minus 1 32 minus 1, which is equals to 31. Here is 2x squared minus 1 equals to, here x is what? Minus 2. 2 open bracket minus 2 raised to the power 2 minus 1 equals to minus 2 raised to the power 2 means minus 2 times minus 2, minus times minus is plus, so 2 open bracket 4 minus 1 equals to 2 times 4 going to have 8 minus 1, which is equals to 7. Are you following? Any question? Hope you are following. Good. Okay. Yeah. So please, I want you to like, comment, and share. I'll be very grateful. Then the last one of the list is 4, right? So here is f of t minus 4 is equals to 2x squared minus 1 equals to, so anywhere we see x, we write t minus 4. So here will now be 2 open bracket t minus 4 all in square minus 1. So this will now be equals to this, when we have t minus 4 all in square, this means t minus 4 times t minus 4, right? So t times t square, t times minus 4t, minus 4 times t minus 4t, minus times minus plus, then 4 times 4, 16. Here will be t square minus 8t plus 16. This is what we are supposed to have. So 2 open bracket t square minus 8t plus 16, then minus 1. Amen? Okay. Yeah. So if you can see what I'm saying, so this implies that f of t minus 4 now be equals to use this 2 to multiply out this bracket. Amen? So when we multiply out 2 times t square, 2t square, 2 times minus 8t minus 16t, then 2 times 16 plus 32 minus 1, then this will, our final answer will now be this minus this. We are going to have 2t square minus 16t plus 31. Yeah, so this is how you are supposed to approach one function of one variable. So in case you come across something like this, I don't think you'll find it difficult. Always come back to this video and it will do you good. Is that clear? Even if you do not remember anything, when once you come back, click and watch this video, it will help you. Any question, please? Do you have any question? No question? So we can proceed further, right? Okay? So let's proceed to consider variables of function of two variables, right? I want to clean, okay, functions of two variables. Amen. Okay. Yeah. Functions of two variables. We were able to tackle functions of one variable. We have functions of 3 variables, 4 variables to n variables, as long as calculus is concerned. So now, functions of 2 variables, it means it is of this form, s comma y. So whenever you come across functions of this form, functions of how many variables? 2 variables. So let us fix idea with example. Consider, amen, example, consider the function, f of x comma y equals to x squared y plus 1. Amen? Yeah. Then it says that find f1. Find f1 f1 comma 2 f2 comma 1 3 f a b 3 f a b comma a minus b. Yeah. Then 4. 4. F3A, think so, comma A. So let us look at this together. Amen. Let's look at this together. Okay. Let's look at this together. Okay. So far, so good. Yeah. So a fixed idea with this example. Not difficult. So let us write solution. It implies that our 1 is f of 1 comma 2, which is equals to x squared y plus 1, right? True or false? Okay? So now what we need to do here is the way we substituted for the one variable, the same way. It means this is your x, this is your y. Look at it here, x, y. So here we are going to, what is x? X here is 1, but x is squared, open bracket, y here is what? 2, right? 2 plus 1, this is equals to, everything raised to the power 1 is the same thing, 2 of course is 1. Then 1 times 2, 2 plus 1, which is equals to what? 3. Do you understand? Are you following? Any question? Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand? Yeah. Are you following? Okay. Yeah. So, far so good. Let's move further to consider 2. 2 f of 2 minus 1, 2 comma 1, sorry. This is equals to x squared y plus 1. Then here your x is what? 2, right? So 2 squared, open bracket, y is 1 times 1 plus 1 equals to 2 squared. 2 raised to the power 2 means what? 2 times 2, 2 times 2 is what? 4. So 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 plus 1 equals to 5. Am I right? Any question? Then 3. 3 is f of ab comma a minus b. This implies that our x here is ab, then our y here is a minus b. So x here is squared. Y is a minus b, right? Then what we have? 1, amen, plus 1. So you can see now, here is, when we have ab all is squared, this is the same thing as ab times ab, which is equals to a squared b squared. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Any question? You agree with me, right? Okay. You agree with me, right? Okay. So let's proceed. Let's proceed. So here we be a squared b, open bracket, a minus b plus 1, right? 3 will still continue. Our ab comma a minus b equals to, let us open this bracket by using, oh sorry, this is b squared, by using this to multiply out. So a squared b squared times a, we are going to have a raised to the power 3, then b squared, and minus a squared b squared times b, we have a squared b raised to power 3, then plus 1. This should be the final answer to this number 3. Is that clear? Okay, now let us consider number 4. 4 now be f of 3a comma what? A then equals to x squared y plus 1. Amen. So this is equals to, as you can see now, this is equals to, our x here is 3a, right? So we write 3a open bracket all in square, then y is a, right? So times a plus 1. This is equals to, the way we have 3a all in square, note that if you have something like this, this is the same as 3a times 3a. Do you agree with me? And this will be 9a squared. True or false? True or false? True, right? Do you agree with me, right? You agree with me? Okay. So far, so good. So let's proceed. Right, here will be 9a squared, then times a plus 1. So as you can see, 9a times a, we are going to have 9a raised to power 3 plus 1. This is the final answer. So this is how you are going to tackle functions of two variables. When we say two variables, we are talking about x and y here. So look at it. So do you have any question at this point? We want to proceed further to consider functions of three variables. Any question? No question. Okay. There is no question. Let's consider, or any question, please let me give you 1 minute to ask your question. If you have any question, please, 1 minute to ask your question. Do you have any question? No question. So we can proceed, right? It's okay. If there is no question, let us proceed. Let's proceed to consider three variables. Amen? Yeah. Let us proceed further to consider three variables. Okay? Functions of three variables. Then functions of three variables. Okay. Yeah. So how to clean this? Functions of three variables. You come across this in calculus. Okay, yeah. So let's consider functions of three variables by using example. Is that clear? Example. Consider the function okay, the function f of x comma y comma z is equals to square root of 1 minus x squared minus y squared minus z squared. Then it said find f of 0, 1 all over 2, 1 all over 2. Yeah, it's simple as ABC. I'm going to teach you, break it down for you to understand and even know it more better than myself. Is that clear? Okay, yeah. So as you can see now, this is not a new thing to of us, despite the fact that you are saying uh, three variables. So at least with the knowledge of one variable, two variables, you can see solve this. So let's go ahead and begin to look at it together. Amen. So our f of 0, 1 all over 2, 1 all over 2. This is equals to square root of square root of 1 minus x square minus y square minus z square, right? This is equals to square root of we have 1 here, 2 of us. 1 minus, mind you, our x here is what? 0, but x carries what? Raised to power 2, raised to power 2 minus y here is 1 all over what? 2 of us. So 1 all over 2 raised to power 2 because y is raised to power 2. Then the same thing applicable minus z is the same thing, 1 all over 2 raised to power 2. Amen? Yeah. Do you agree with me? So f of 0, 1 all over 2, 1 all over 2 now be equals to square root of, hope you are following. Do you have any question? Please. Do you have any question? Please ask. Any question? No question? Okay. So far, so good. So here will be 0, then 1 minus here will be 1 all over 4, and here 2 will be minus 1 all over 4. So let's go by the LCM. Note that there is an invisible one here, so the LCM is supposed to be what? 4, right? So, okay, 4 divide 1 times 4 is 4. What do we have here? Minus, right? 4 divide 4, 1 times 1 is 1. 4 divide 4, 1. What do you have here? Minus, right? 4 divide 4, 1 times 1 is 1. Am I right? So our f of 0, 1 all over 2, 1 all over 2 now be equals to square root of 4 minus 1. Here is what? Okay, let's add up this. Minus 1 is going to give us minus 2 all over 4. Am I right? Then this will be equals to square root of 4 minus 2 is what? 4 minus 2 is 2 all over 4. 2 of us. Then 2 all over 4, this is the same thing as 1 square root of 1 all over 2. Yeah. This is the final answer, and this is where we are going to stop. Is that clear? So, do you have any questions? I'm going to call it a day here. In our next video, we continue from where we stop. We'll look at either fourth or end variables. Is that clear? Please, I want you to like, comment, and share. Thank you, and God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you guys.